Sometimes a self-assisted thoracic mobilization is an effective tool to help treat your neck pain. You'll want to consult your physical therapist to determine if this exercise is appropriate. I'm going to demonstrate here with a foam roller. Typically the exercise is performed while sitting on the ground. You're going to turn and be perpendicular to the foam roller as I am now. Start with the foam roller about the upper 1/3. Put your hands behind your head, but will remain supported, and simply extend as far as you can over the back of the roll. You can either adjust or move the foam roller higher up as needed, and again, extend over back of the foam roll. This exercise will typically be performed about 10 to 15 reps, maybe once or twice per day. Thank you for watching the videos that may help to assist with self-management of your neck pain. Again, it's important to note that you're going to want to consult your physical therapist to make sure that you're starting the exercises appropriately, you're going slowly through the progressions, and monitoring for any adverse reactions during the recovery process.